And then marinate with the turmeric powder and salt. Yeah. And leave sometimes like 10-15 minutes. Okay. Then I had to fry. And then I had to fry. Oh, you fry it? Yeah, lovely.
I'm doing pancakes with noodles with turmeric, smoked paprika, onion and garlic with a salad, and the noodles will be with sea sauce, and I might even have enough time to make a pudding.
We're doing a celeriac and potato rosti here. So we're just going to grate the celeriac and potatoes in now, squeeze some of the water out of the grated potatoes, and then we'll mix these together, maybe with some onion, and then fry them like little pancakes.
Right, so you don't need anything to bind them?
No.
No? Okay. So are you making moussaka, do you think? Are you helping with the moussaka?
This is onion, tomato and spinach salad.
Pancake, mixed savoury pancakes with water, flour. What's that?
That's nutritional yeast.
Nutritional yeast, smoked paprika,
Wow.
chili powder. 1 second.
I've never had pancakes like that before.
I found it on YouTube. It seems really easy. You just water, flour and a little bit of oil, and I added herbs to it.
And
Right.
chili powder and
You just fry them, they're
cloves.
quite dry,
Yes.
and they're kind of flaky, which is really good, and she really loves them.
Oh,
so-
great.
And we add chili powder and cloves.
No, not close.
Yeah, clothes would be a bit weird.
Yeah, they don't.
Refusing to come out. Well, that's why it's fun.
I need to fry it deep fry. Oh, you totally deep fry it.
I'm doing a lot of first, like light brown. Okay.
So this is the rosti. Celeriac and potato.
And a little bit of leek,
Yeah.
and some pepper and cumin and coriander.
You added boiling water to it, and that's it. So just by you just so it's like quite thin.
Yeah, giant style, like mix it with the water.
Yeah.
Powder and water.
Right. So that's cheaper than coconut milk in a tin.
Tasty. Yeah,
Tasty,
this is
yeah.
real coconut milk powder. That's not tasty.
So where would you get it from? That?
You can buy from Tesco,
Oh,
but
really?
the big packet you can buy online or Asian grocery shops.
Okay. Great. Finished thing.
We made savoury pancakes,
Yeah.
a salad with tomato, spinach and cheese, that's the pepper flour, and we made noodles with spicy.
Different veg. Wonderful.
There's leek, onion, lots of chilies, and smoked paprika, garlic, and turmeric.
Very nice. What have we got here?
And then she goes.
So here we've got some rostis made with the celeriac, potato and some spices, and then we've just roasted the celeriac, which looks really good, like the chips, and then we've got some roasted aubergine down there. Some sides.
Yes, and this fried aubergine curry and chicken, boneless chicken curry and coconut roti.
Coconut.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Nice.
They're delicious.
You've got tomato, spinach, and red onion salad with some cider vinegar.
Very nice. Oh no, I've got a whole roasted celeriac. With it had what herbs are available in the garden, so it had some oregano, some rosemary, and olive oil and a bit of chili.
Too spicy. Not such
I
a
like the spice. I like the
thing.
spice.